30 ringgit. 30, ito nga ata parang, magkano? 30 plus na yun. Yung mga ganon. So, more or less, 400. Yeah, 400 pesos. Siguro mga more than 30 minutes ang biyahe natin. Depende sa traffic. So, we'll see you there sa Cotaraya. Dito na pala tayo. Prepare mo na bayad po. 32. 32. Then, meron pa ba tayong dos?
Kaka na lang.
15 na lang. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Cotaraya. Ito pala yung... You go to 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Punta daw siyang 7-Eleven. May money changer. Western Union. Yung mga ano dito. Madami daw Pinay dito eh. Yung mga pansit canton. Lucky Me.
You can see first if I don't buy.
Yung mga ito. Damit. Punta tayo sa taas. Ganap kami ng ano, phone. Banana cube. Ay, daing pa nga eh. Ah. May salon pa. Ito daw ang Petale Street.
Pasar Seni.
Okay.
Pasar Seni also for the service also come. And sir, we go to the KLCC.
KLCC. Okay.
That's the central market, right?
Yes.
Ayan. Ito, ayan o, Petale Street.
Just walking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lakad-lakad lang daw tayo. Magkakatabi lang eh. Sabi niya, plinano na daw niya to kagabi kung saan pupunta.
Okay.
Tapos inaano niya yung mga oras na maganda para ayaw daw niya, as much as possible, ayaw na daw mainitan habang naglalakad. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, we can cross.
Maybe over demand for this one.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
Now it's low people come because of the afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the bag or everything you can find.
Okay. Ano ba yung purple? Naghanap tayo ng ano, backpack para sa airport. Para lang tayong nasa Divisoria. May ganito yung gusto ko man din.
You want to buy the
Mask?
ringgit 50 cents or at 20 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Very cheap, yeah? So you can buy you want to buy mask, right? 1 ringgit 50 cents.
Mura lang 150. 20 pesos lang. Ay, hindi. Wala pa atan 20 pesos na. Anong kulay?
What do you want?
Brown? Gray?
Black color, or you want white color, or you want this one?
Ah, same price. Okay.
Same price, yeah.
150. Ito na lang.
Ito one.
Mm.
Okay.
150.
Okay. 3 minutes.
Ito na. Yeah, we get this.
This one.
150.
How many?
Only one.
Only one. 150 only.
Ito, 3 pieces ay 10.
Oh.
Maganda rin ito yun.
Gusto mo yan?
Magkano? Ito ba yun? Or ito? Parang bronze.
Mm-hmm.
Mas better yung kulay.
This one is 3 pieces, 10.
Yeah.
2 pieces.
They're all the
Everything.
same. You can mix.
Maganda
Para
to.
sa bahay.
Maganda to. Para sa akin isa, tig-isa tayo. Dalawahin na natin, tig-isa tayo.
Same-same na lang kayo lahat.
Ito maganda. Ito iba to.
Ah, Para sa...
Ito may mali. Ito mali.
Mag-aano ako sa bahay ng isa. Sa bahay
ito
natin.
Yung, may Merdeka Square.
Ito rin na to. You know.
Sige. Pwede naman. Sabay, ano na lang.
Tatlong ganito na lang.
Ah.
Ito yung maganda eh. Para sa akin ah.
Pwede, kung may iba ka pang gusto.
Ang ganda yung itsura nito. Alin? To?
Ano lang yan? 160?
100. No. Mura yung mga ano nila ah. Pumasok tayo sa parang ano, establishment. Hanap tayo ng kanong tote bag nila. 20. Ano naman? 20. 200. Tig 200. Panda Eyes nga ang brand. This one. Kaso hindi kasha yung papel natin. 40. Quick snack. Mochi.
Side per box.
Original. Yeah.
But next one, original. Next today is
Black
pandan
sesame.
mango. Pandan mango, pandan mango. Black sesame original.
Can we mix?
Yep. This one like this. Like this After I mix for you one.
Okay, Dede.
Or they obey
How much?
Oh.
5 minutes.
5. You want?
May ano, may mango.
My mango.
Yeah. Inside got mango already. This one is the original.
Can we have mix of mango and original?
Can.
Okay.
Two flavor lah, mango and original.
Okay.
Afterward I finish the
Okay. Puro okay ka na lang dito eh.
Cái còn mong có không
5 per box.
Just 2 pieces with dark chocolate.
Okay. Thank you.
Eat now, okay, wait. Sure.
Yeah, we'll
Eat
eat.
now.
Eat now? Okay.
Fine.
Kuya gave us a free dark chocolate and pandan. Thank you. So yummy.
Ayun na, Central Market pala. Pwede dito? This is called the Malay House daw.
You can go up. So,
Very similar to Filipino.
I listen.
Ito yung Central Market daw.
Imagine somebody else, I don't know how to. I thought we said that we should get. I don't know.
So it
This place was represent to the Malacca.
Malacca.
Yeah, Malacca. We have we talk about this Malacca.
Oh, it's very cool. If you're not with us, we will just
We don't know what this
we
means.
don't know. We will think it's just ordinary time. Oh, okay.
British
So,
and
Love
Chinese.
said this is representing the Chinese
Mhm.
and this is representing the
The
British.
British.
Also, Love said that this area is under UNESCO to preserve
Mm.
this,
Okay.
what's the state and how it
Mm.
looks.
Ang gaganda naman nito.
Okay, this represent of the KTM is for the runway. If you want to see it, we go outside, then we see the view.
The real one. Ito. Makikita daw natin sa labas yung totoo. Representation lang siya. How much this?
79 is like 1,000.
Ganda pang display. Ito kaya.
I can see one of the bottom.
Cultural walk.
They represent the customer.
Here at Kasturi Walk, Central Market.
And
Yeah, Malaysian Bank.
so you see the bank under not you can see this building. You will see the
Selamat datang, welcome.
before the new model of the people Malaysia, they were wearing like this. That's why I showed you the Saigon Museum. They wear it every day like this.
Picture tayo dun sa may I Love KLCC. Para may remembrance tayo. Ang init na guys. Mainit na.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be.